welcome to Quassi's Bell Tower with your host, Quassi. And today we have a special guest. We have Brother Brian from Brian's Discoveries, yes. And today we're going to open up, what are we in, October? So this is probably the September RPG crate. And this time I'm not wearing the new t-shirt. I'm actually going to do a real box opening, Brian. So I will open this bad boy up and let's see what is in this.
I was thinking your channel would look a little different from the viewer reviews, but it looks pretty much the same. The bell tower is bigger in person than it is on camera. Well, it is.
But here we go. Open this bad boy open. I will actually start with the card this time, everybody. And this one is called Fall Harvest. It is the September 2019 Season 4 Crate 38. And we will come back to this to make sure we got everything. So we will go with the t-shirt next. And wow, Brian, that is a pretty cool t-shirt. What do you think?
It looks silk screened. RPGCrate.com. That I like that. It looks like a scarecrow, a little
look at that, guys.
Hooded scarecrow.
That is really cool. I like that.
That's really
That's
sweet.
nice. That's a nice Halloween shirt right there. So we'll put that one off to the side for now. We'll get to the mini in a bit. And this is Mastery of the Hunt, Harvest Stew. And on the back of it, there's a little adventure. And then on here is your recipe card.
Really?
Yeah, you can actually make that stuff, Brian.
Oh, so basically you go ahead and have yourself a game, and then you make this as your...
Yeah, sometimes you have quests to go and get those ingredients.
Really?
That's what that is. Yeah, take a look at it.
That's really interesting. That's really interesting.
There, yeah. And sometimes you got to get what's off the monster to make whatever it is.
That's very imaginative.
Yeah, and they just substitute whatever it's supposed to be for real food.
Nice, nice.
So next we have our effing cool miniature from Effing Cool Miniatures.
Are they effing cool?
They're effing cool. So here we go, guys. Let's see what this is. I have no clue what it is yet. Ooh, that's cool. Is there another part to this? Or is that? Oh, okay, I see. This is. It looks like pretty much like that Scarecrow. I just have to glue his arm on.
Broken.
No, it's actually in two parts.
Oh, okay.
A lot of times they make it like this, so you have to like put the arm on and put it however you position it.
Gotcha.
But I'll show you guys a close up of this because I know you can't see it. We'll make sure it covers up Brian's face. But yeah, that's basically how that works. He's got his little pitchfork. Take a look at that. Some nice detail in that one.
It is neat.
It looks like almost like a zombie type Scarecrow. I don't know.
That's a creepy looking. This looks like Harold, doesn't it?
Harold. I know that guy.
It's from Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark.
Ah,
If you're a fan of those books, if you're a fan, you know who Harold is.
So our next item is the monster lore they always like to do, and this one is called Scarecrow. Medium construct, chaotic evil, duh, of course. But on the back of these, they have the stats for this monster, and these is what your monster is, your Scarecrow. Go ahead, take a look at that, Brian.
It's a nice feeling.
Yeah, I know, right? And it's nice. It's got a nice protective coating on it. So you know if you spill any coffee on it, like I always do, or beer, like I always do, I ain't gotta worry about that now.
A tisket, a tasket, the Scarecrow's out his casket. Turn out the lights and lock the door, praying that he passes.
Do you know what that's from, guys? If you do, let me know in the comments.
Those guys are really old.
So next in here is our 3 adventures, and these are from Season 4. These are the Masteries of the Hunt. And we have first, let's make sure I got the first one this time. Yes, that was the first one. It is Fall Harvest, and there's the map. Nothing except information on the back. Fall Harvest. The next one is Dire Fields. There's your map. And just the detail on the back. And then next we have the Master's Design. And there's the map. And there's more detail. Pretty nice.
Yeah, I think of the 3, I want to play this one.
Yeah.
That looks interesting. I mean, that looks interesting too, but
Yeah.
that looks interesting.
And basically all 3 adventures are all tied in, you know, they all tie in each other there. They all play a part. And then here we have our 5th edition fantasy number 16, The Cave of the Unknown. There's the front. It is a level 3 adventure. I'm sure it's all in black and white. Hey, Michael Curtis did this. I wonder if he's related to me. I doubt it. But anyways, let's see. This is all in black and white. There is 24 pages. I'm trying to see if I can find you guys some pictures. They're mostly in black and white, so there's nothing really special. I know the lighting on that light back there really messes with it. Let's see if I can get you some better ones. Mostly details. Some maps.
Maps will show up really well.
Yeah, maps. Let's see. I'm trying to see if I can find some monsters or something. Big pictures. There might be something. And there's some more maps. But I'll show some more maps. That's about it, guys.
Sometimes it's creepier if you don't see the monster.
Yeah, that's true. But that's it. And I'm really surprised this month they brought back the pick and pluck foam. They must have finally got it in or decided to finally put it back in. I don't know what the whole story was. For a couple months I went without this, which, you know, if I have it, I have it. If I don't, I don't. But this foam is the stuff that's good for, like, you pick it out and you can put your figurines in it. But that's it, guys. Cheese Brine, I like this set. I like the spider book. I like the I'm assuming this is the Scarecrow. It almost has that Jeepers Creepers look to it in a way, sort of. But it's got a pumpkin kind of look to it too. I think that looks pretty good. The adventures are always nice. The monsters lore, that's always a plus. That's something they didn't do. They just started doing recently. Our recipe card, our awesome t-shirt, and it looks like all of that stuff is on this card. And that's it, man. You know, I think this is a pretty good set. You know, I really don't get the chance to read the stories until after, so that could actually change the grading of everything. But I like the t-shirt, I like the figurine. It's the same thing every time. And you know what? I think I'd give this one, I think I'll give this one a A-. Oh. So that's it, guys. Until next time, and remember, ring that like button like a hunchback.
Let me get that bell sound in there. That was pretty weird.
Until next time,
Hey, you up there doing that?
Stop it, Quassi!
Where'd that come from?